Next checklist, voltage available, fill main engine lube oil sump tank. Ayan.
Lubricating oil storage system sump inlet valve should be open.
So, i-close muna natin tong valves na to, 1 and 2. Kasi, magkakarga tayo ng lube oil sump tank from the main engine lube oil tank number 1. So, this valve, this valve, this valve, and these valves should be open. Start from here.
Lubricating oil storage system lower supply valve should be open.
Another valve.
Main engine lubricating oil tank number 1 suction valve should be open.
So, another valve.
Lubricating oil storage system upper supply valve should be open.
And another valve.
Wait until the half of main engine sump is filled with low.
So, what's keeping? Kasi lube oil ito, no? So, remember, no? You have to make sure that the line na ni-ready nyo is the proper line and valves. Kasi, what if ito ang mabuksan natin? Pwede, di ba? Pwede rin ito. So, the dirty lube oil will go into our sump tank. So, kaya hindi basta-basta ito ay pinagkakatiwala kung hindi naintindihan ng gumagawa.
System upper supply valve should be closed.
Yan.
Main engine lubricating oil tank number 1 suction valve should be closed.
So, another valve
Lubricating oil
close.
storage system lower supply valve should be closed. Okay. Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window.
Sara na rin natin to para sigurado. So, ayan ngayon yung level niya. So, last video, pinandar natin yung compressor para kargahan yung ating air receiver. Now is 21.9 at kasalukuyang umaandar pa rin yung compressor natin at naka-auto naman. So, no worry. And this video, kinargahan naman natin ng lube oil yung ating sump tank ng main engine natin. Kung mapapansin nyo, unti-unti nating inire-ready yung pagpapaandar ng ating mga main machinery or the main engine. Next checklist,